Hey guys, thanks for joining me. This is going to be my first gold unboxing. Hey guys, I actually recorded this about almost a month ago, right before the new year, actually more than a month ago. But I just wanted to show you my first gold piece that I was really excited about. And I also want to give a shout out to Expat Stacker. Man, you've been pretty awesome. Always telling people to check me out. So if you do or are subscribed to me and you aren't subscribed to him, why don't you check his channel out and give a like and subscribe. So yeah. And so here it is, my first gold unboxing, and I actually got this at Spot. I'm gonna show you what it is when I open it though, but got a gold at Spot from APMEX on Black Friday. So let's just open it. First, I'm gonna cover it so you don't see the precious information on the front. Here's a little ASMR for you. Okay. There we go. Cut it open and then I'll show you what I got. I need a better blade. Not a bad cut though. Or maybe that was the bottom. Still cut, okay. Time to get the paperwork out. Paperwork out. Okay. Let's see. I actually ordered a tube as well for some of my coins. Here we go. My first gold coin. Now it's not an American Eagle, definitely wanted one, but you know, times are a little hard, so I got the next best thing. The next gold coin that was sold at Spot on APMEX during Black Friday. And plus, I saw that very limited amount they had for Black Friday. I was like, we're gonna run into another U.S. Mint situation again, and we did. But you know, getting a gold eagle at Spot, I wish I could have done that. But this, I got it's a little cheaper gold there. Here we go. It's a beautiful gold coin though. I will just say the Austrian Mint does a nice job. If you didn't know, so this is a 1976 Austria. It's the Austrian gold. It's 1,000 shillings gold coin. And let's show the reverse. Let's see. Oh, it's kind of off a little bit though. It's interesting, or is it just me? Maybe I'm a little off. Probably off in the head. So if you can see here, maybe a little light. Okay. I guess a little bit more light. Okay. So what it says is Einsetzung der Babenberg. And so this is actually a commemorative coin for the Babenberg dynasty, or that's Babenberger, but you know, German. Babenberg dynasty. And you have, let me see if I get this right. You have the Duke on the front. So this is Duke Frederick, I guess, Babenberg, on a horse with a spear, and I guess that's the Babenberg colors, or let's say flag. Always want to say colors. Eitzenberg. So this means is Eitzenberg der Babenberger That sounded a little German. But this means the establishment of the Babenberg. So if you didn't know, the Babenbergs were actually one of the ruling houses of Austria, and they actually went extinct around, or well, here they have the date, 976. That's when they came to power in Babenberg, and then became the Dukes of Austria. And they were actually lost power from the Habsburg dynasty. Basically, if you don't know history, the Habsburg dynasty was a pretty long and powerful dynasty in Europe. They ruled a lot, from Spain to France to the Holy Roman Empire. So yeah, and I guess the Babenbergs were defeated by them. Let me get you a little time. The Babenberger. Around the 1246, so about 1246, they were defeated, or basically made extinct. Because if you're a ruling house and someone puts you out of power, usually they'll try to take you out, so none of your kids can be, they can claim legitimacy. So if you think about that, like look at the Russian Revolution, the czars, they killed everyone, or the French Revolution, they killed a they're basically the royal line completely to ensure that no one has claim to the throne. And so here we have, on the reverse, we have Republik Österreich. And if you didn't know, if you don't have any what's the thing called, Philharmonics, Republik Österreich means the Republic of Austria. So in German, or Deutsch, Österreich means that's Austria, and Schilling 1,000. And so that's actually the Austrian eagle, because eagles were used as like heraldic figure, or basically symbols, for a long time, and each country had their own eagles. There's the Hungarian eagle, there's the Russian eagle, the Polish eagle, and this is the Austrian eagle. And of course you have the shield of, I think that's the Babenberg or Austria in the center. So okay, that was okay, trying not to damage, but luckily this is my first gold and I'm pretty happy about it. Of course I'm happy to get it at spot though, but since it's not an American gold eagle or a buffalo, I'm not sure about the liquidity, but I don't plan on selling. This is my first gold coin, so definitely plan on holding it for a while. Let me just get this. So, a little more information about the coin itself, right? So this is actually only 0.3906 ounces of gold. So it's a little bit more than a quarter, of course, not less than a half. It's 0.39, right? Oh, but let me see. I think this one is so this is actually 0.90. It's the purity of this gold. Not sure what the other stuff is made of. Okay, yeah, about 27 millimeters in diameter. I don't know how thick it is. Probably I'll check that with my caliper. Hopefully I can find a case for this. But it's beautiful. Look at that luster. That's gold right there. Nice shiny gold. I'm just happy about my first gold coin. I'm excited. Excited to show you guys too. Okay. So just I got the info from shout out to Silver Dragons. That's one of the guys on YouTube I follow. And I was looking at sales, right? Black Friday sales, and he always mentioned that APMEX usually, even though they charge, let's say, up the wazoo most of the year, during Black Friday they do have a lot of spot sales. And I noticed that I went on APMEX. Then if you're I guess what level of your APMEX club, you get like little emails early. And so damn, they did have a lot of things at spot compared to other dealers, but of course everyone had a Black Friday sale. Some better than others, some worse than others. So yeah. Okay, that's the coin. Put it down there. Ooh. And now that we've reached the end, I would like to say thank you for watching my video, and I hope to see you again next time.